me record the session and let me share the screen. Okay, fine. In case if there are no current backups existed, you have to take a copy only full backup. One backup is fine. No need to take all the backups. Differential log backups and all not required. Okay, fine. So you have to take the copy only full backup. Okay, right? So I just copied the backup files to the location. Let me go to my SQL server. I'm going to restore all backups at a time. Okay, right click. So now what main thing I have to consider? Can anyone tell me? Before restoring, what is the main thing I have to consider?
Physically, the backup files are there or not in that
Very good.
instance, then
Very
we can
good.
restore.
Excellent. Yeah. Other than that,
We can't restore that.
other than that, what are the other precautions?
Other than that, we can copy the backups on this instance.
Very good. Next, what thing we have to check? Very important. What is the important thing?
Path.
No.
We have to
So,
check whether the
recovery
space
model.
is
No.
We will check
space is
recovery
available or
model.
not.
Which one? Which one is available or not?
Space.
Space. Very good. That is fine. Space should be available. So make sure you have proper free space is there. Very, very, very important thing.
The version,
Sorry, Brian.
the version of the SQL Server.
Excellent guy. Excellent. Excellent man. Excellent. Version. Okay. So you have to check again in which version you are restoring. See, I took the backup of 2017. I am restoring in 2019. Is it possible or not? Can I restore?
Yes, it's
No.
possible.
No. Who said no? Who
Yes, it's
said no?
possible.
Who
Yes,
said
yes.
no? No, no. Okay. So here I can restore my database. Why? Because I'm using my 2017 backup. Okay. And restoring in 2019. So now I can restore lower version database to higher version SQL Server. But I cannot restore a database from this server to, okay, this server is not possible. Why? Because this is 2019 and this is 2017. So I cannot restore databases from this existing server to that particular 2017 version. Okay, so let me restore the database. Right click, restore database. I'm going to restore all at a time. Okay, device, someone pinged me. Okay, give me recording permissions. Let me give you recording permissions. Pravi. Right, device, browse. I just copied the backup files on my desktop. Right, add. Where is my desktop? Can anyone help me to find the desktop? Users. This is the username. Or else I can do one thing. Right click, properties. Sharing, not sharing, right? General only. See users Teja desktop. Okay, see users. See users Teja Pallela. Desktop. Where is that? This is C drive. Okay. Under C we have users. Under users we have Teja Pallela. I cannot see the desktop, right? Check the path again. or let me double click on it. Just copy this path, expand this, Control C, go to this window, Control V, enter. CSSV cannot access the specific path through security privileges that the path or file exists. It is saying your service account doesn't have access. Okay, let me check on which service account it is running. It is running on local service accounts, right? So let me do one thing. How to fix this issue? Right click, properties, security, edit, add everyone, check names, okay, full control, full control, apply, and okay, and okay. Array, come on. Add. Control V, this is the path. I cannot see, man. Okay, so might be permission issues. Let me do one thing, okay? Control X. Let me copy this folder in the C drive directly so that I can see C drive. Okay, Control V. Right, let me close this. Don't confuse, I'm just trying to pull the path, that's it. Click on add button. Under C drive we have that backups, right? What is the backup file name? All AD backups. Okay, AdventureWorks database backups. You can see here under C drive I can see AD backups. Okay, select this one. Right, just select all at a time. You can use your cursor to drag and click OK. Everything is same. Everything is same. There is no difference. I'll show you. There is a difference. I'll show you the difference. Fine. As I don't have AdventureWorks 2017 in this server, I can restore the database as it is. No problem at all. So I'm not going to change the destination name. Go to this file space. Double click on this original file location. Double click on this restore as file location. Okay. So here you have to consider one thing. Fine. Original file name is this one, right? Microsoft SQL Server, MS SQL 14, MS SQL Server, MS SQL Data AdventureWorks. Okay, fine. What is the version of this server? Why it is showing like that? 2019 only, right? I guess we have upgraded. Okay, that's why we are getting, yes. We have upgraded. C program files, Microsoft SQL Server. There is no, okay, that's fine. Okay, so what I want to show you is, okay, so if you go to this window, here actually the original file is MS SQL 14, right? Why? Because we are restoring from 2017 version. So it should be MS SQL 14. And it is going to restore not underscore not MS SQL 14. The latest version is we are restoring in 2019 server, right? So what is the folder name here? MS SQL 15, right? So it should show MS SQL 15. But what I did is I just okay, upgraded this instance from 2017 to 2019. So that's why that folder is not created. Okay, right. Simply I'm not going to do anything. Simply here I'm not going to do anything. What you have to do is from which server you are restoring to which server you are restoring, you have to consider these two things and make sure you are giving a proper path. If you are restoring 2017 or 2019 server, try to give the path, or else simply select this option. Okay, remember guys, if you are restoring database from one server to another server. Okay, select this option, relocate all files and folders. So the new path will be affected here. New path, this is the new path. Okay, so the new path will be affected here. Only difference is if you are restoring from one server to another server completely, you have to select this relocate files and folders option. Remaining everything is same. Okay, restore with recovery. I can simply click OK. That's it. We can see 300s here. Okay, one for full backup, one for differential, one for log backup. Full it will take, yeah. Next is differential, next 100. This is differential, not differential. Yes, this is differential. Next, this is log backup. Okay, now all 300% is completed. Now you will get success message. Right, AdventureWorks successfully restored. Okay, so the difference is, only difference is you have to choose that second option, all relocate files and folders. You can see, sorry, not this one. This is a server, right? So you can see here AdventureWorks 2017. Okay, so in this way you can restore a database from one server to another. Sorry, this one. Okay, from one server to another server. Right? So that's it. This is called restoration. Any doubts? Any issues?
And change any compatibility.
A very good question. Okay, after changing the restoration, usually you have to change the compatibility. Okay, if you see here, the compatibility as you restored from 2017, the compatibility, what will be the compatibility level of this database?
2017 is 14.
Right.
14.0.
No. Compatibility level. What is compatibility for 2017 databases? There is no compatibility of 14.0. What is the compatibility level for 2014, 2017 databases? What is the compatibility level, guys? Very easy. Already you know the answer.
-1 to +1 years.
Ah, come on. Compatibility level. Compatibility level of 2000. What is the compatibility level of 2012 database? Or else tell me how many numbers will be there in the compatibility level?
-7 + 7.
No. That compatibility is different. Each database will have compatibility, right? A number will be there. How many digits of number will be there? We have already discussed these things, guys.
2011 dot comes, sir.
No, that is bill number. What is compatibility level?
Oh, sorry. 110. 110.
For 2014,
Yes. Yeah, 140.
2014.
Yes, 2014 120.
For 2017.
140.
140.
Okay, so if you expand, if you run expand score help DB, you can see compatibility level under the last column. Okay, compatibility. So now I just restored the database, right? AdventureWorks, right? So as you restore this AdventureWorks from 2017, so it is showing 140. Now what is the next immediate step you have to do after restoration is completed? You have to change this compatibility level as per this server. How can we change it? Right click, go to properties, properties, next okay, so I cannot change the compatibility level. How can I do that now? Alter database name, set compatibility. Is equal to 150. Okay, right, execute it. Now run this query again. It is very important, guys. Okay, see here, now it was changed to 150. Why I have to change means, even though you restore a database from 2017 to 2019, if you don't change the compatibility level to 2019, it will still behaves like a 2017 database, like the recovery model. Okay, so once the restoration is completed, it is our responsibility to change the compatible level of the database. Right? Any questions, guys? Any doubts?
So, sir, how to restore all? So, for example, we have 100 log backups. How to restore that?
Same thing. Look how I did restore of 3 backups. Now you have to restore the same. Do one thing, okay? Generate 100 log backups, select all the 100 log backups and restore it. There is no difference. Simply you are going to choose all 100 log backups. And if 100 log backups are there in different locations, it is not possible. Make sure you are keeping all 100 log backups in the same folder. Then choose, like how I choose 3 backups. You have to simply choose 100 log backups. That's it.
In real time, we are using some node 1, node 2. How to restore?
Forget about node 1, node 2 and all. Okay, forget. First main thing is forget about those things. First of all, be clear here. Okay,
Okay.
that is different concept. Node 1, node 2, that comes under always on, or else like high availability feature. Okay, so that is completely different. As of now, it's clear, right? So there also no different thing and all in the always on, or else in any high availability also we are going to restore in the same way. If you want to restore 100 log backups at a time, choose all 100 log backups. Like how I selected multiple log backups, you have to choose all log backups at a time. You have to select all log backups at a time. Simply you have to choose with recovery, with no recovery, whatever you want, you can simply click. You can restore all 100 log backups at a time.
Okay.
Any question, any doubts? If no doubts, that's it for today. Tomorrow by 7:30 we are going to meet. Okay, right? Thank you all.
షణ్ముఖ్
Yes,
Thank you, sir.
యా కొన్ని డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయండి యాక్చువల్గా అవి ఆఫీస్ లో అవి ఇప్పుడు అడగొచ్చా?
No, not now. Okay, so we'll discuss it later.
ఓకే.
Thank you.